The smell for the last 15 minutes has been tough to ignore, and it's not Kent this time. It's actually Andoro Sons Pizza. Has it smelled awesome in here all morning long? It's ridiculous.
I want to dig in.
Andoro Sons Pizza Fundraising Company, based right here in downtown St. Louis, just a little north of the Arch. Their fundraising program specializes in helping schools, teams, and groups raise money for various needs. Nicely done, Vanna. We're talking about things like trips, equipment, school projects, and groups profit 45% of the total sale from the Andoro Sons Pizza fundraiser. How about that? Great way to raise some cash for those needed school projects. Ready to go quality frozen meals and desserts, including Andoro Sons frozen St. Louis style and mozzarella pizzas, MacArthur's Bakery gooey butter cakes,
Hello.
Paschetti's garlic and cinnamon loaves of bread, and Fazio's toasted ravioli. How about that? Keeping it all local. New this year, by the way, Battle of the Fundraisers. This is really cool. You can challenge a rival team or another school, and then the winner of the battle, selling the most, gets 50% of the total sale.
Wow.
Well done.
And can I say?
Can we dig
Please,
in?
please
Can I
I'm
say?
running this, so go ahead.
Really nice people too.
Yeah.
You know, when they didn't have to be, when they were setting up in here, pretty cool.
They brought their own pizza in, their own pizza oven in.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's
Talking
awesome.
You know what?
This
Now
is
that I
for
think
you.
about it, we've never met anybody that brought us free pizza that wasn't pretty nice. But we don't get a lot
What
of
a
free
coinky
pizza,
dink.
so
Wow, this is really good too.
this is the breakfast. Did you try
St.
that?
Louis-
This is
no,
the
I'm
breakfast
going in
pizza,
on the
right?
pepperoni.
This is the breakfast pizza.
Chunks of eggs, sausage.
So here's what you do. Go to AndoroPizza.com to start your fundraiser setup, or you can give them a call. We'll put the number up there, 636
that's good.
332 9005.
Now this is
636
frozen, right?
332
I can make this myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're so good. This is really good. This is what I think of when I think of St. Louis style pizza.
I don't know why I chose to run this thing
know.
today, but